Hello, Ashley. I am so sorry for not getting back to you. It looks like I put a grade in, but I didn't give you any feedback. So I'm going to go through this all over again. And I just must have got lost in all the videos I was sending. So let's see. Just take a look. I know your project was designed to set up daily cards for kindergarten students. Okay, great. I just want to get the scope of the project here. Um, so you have got your self-evaluation. You're thinking an A here, and you've got some different criteria here, which is fine. Most meaningful challenge exercises, summary of the work, completed signed visual schedule. Okay. And then, yep. So that's fine. I don't have an idea of the hours. I'm missing this. Am I missing this? Summary. Okay, so let's take a look at the actual schedule. So you did this in Canva. And yes, okay, you've got all the, so if I can go these, do these get, oh, they do get bigger. Yeah. So movement break. Okay, so you've created all the schedules. You did this in Canva, which is great. I think your personal assessment probably could have been a little bit more detail uh, in the what you learned, right? And then uh, well, how it's specifically associated with the learning goals. And I get the idea that you've used ChatGPT and Gemini, so you've used a range of tools, which is good. So I appreciate that. And so yeah, I see this as very solid work, and certainly in the A category. And then interactive schedule. Oh, Genially. So this is a different aspect of it here. So click on the word to display the activity. So take a break. Okay, so you put it in Genially. Oh, I like that. That's kind of nice, right? Um, it's just the size here that I assume it would go bigger or something like that. But anyway, so yeah, I think that's definitely a quality project. So let's look at personal project 2, where you created a reality sheet. And I'm just going to go to this self-assessment first. And this is the one that here that your project because strong and consistent clear evidence learning through. I'm just looking through. Oh, here's the description. Find out focus on 5 myths. Okay, so that's what you're looking at. I've got the hours. See this much easier. You've got this is excellent in terms of what you've done in your self-assessment. And I just want to see the tools, ChatGPT, Notebook LM, research summarizing. And this is the notebook that you created and getting from the mess. You put some definite work here. And then here's the generated template. Let's see. Oh, sorry, that's audience, common mess. Okay. And then put that in. This is the, okay, great use of prompting. And this is very detailed, and you've got a nice little QR code here. And yeah, so I think that's solid. Yeah, sure. It's definitely um, B plus for sure. I would say that is a reasonable estimate. And here's the final sheet, which looks great. So you've done a nice job there. And here you have a Gen AI resource list for special education. Let's take a look at your self-evaluation here. I'm going to here, here's the project on sites. That's interesting. Oh my. Um, that's impressive. So you've got the research articles. This is really well done. Okay, and then I didn't expect this because you're doing so many different projects. And then you've got the videos here, which is really helpful. And see, it's not just for the video, you're telling us why it matters and why it's helpful. And then I've got some tools, Magic School, EduAid, which are client Brisk, good ones, Conmigo, and then lesson ideas, generate stories with ChatGPT, sorry, Gemini Storybook, NLP adoption, and more assistive technology. This is okay. I wasn't expecting this. I, you're doing such a project. Your self-assessment here. Uh, yeah, this is pretty impressive. You've got a lot of tools here. Engagement. I This could not have been. How many total hours did you spend on this? Just 16 hours. You're awfully efficient. If that's the case, That's mind blowing. Um, you type the way I do. Or maybe that's what I use. I typed that in. You didn't do that. So those tools: Gemini, Notebook, Claude, Magic School, Comigo, and then you put it into sites. Um, wow. So this is impressive. This is A plus plus. No question about it. I don't think it's uh, yeah, it's just top quality and it's a great assessment. What a way to finish off with that. Super impressed. Thank you so much for this. I hope it's a really good resource because it's super impressive. You started off with It's interesting. Started off with some more safe stuff, and then you just expanded and produced this amazing work. So well done.